Hey guys, it's Alex back with another unboxing video, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new iPhone 12 Pro. So let's get right into this unboxing by peeling off this little pull tab. So there we go, peeled right off. So as we know, the box is smaller, but I don't want to get into that because everybody already knows Apple did not include the charging brick. So let's open this up, and we're greeted by the phone. Now those boxies, that actually feels really weird. That actually really does feel really weird. So let's put the phone off to the side real quick. Now we've got the charger, and we've got this stupid stuff, like your stupid info, you've got your single Apple sticker, you know, it's just your ordinary stuff. You got your SIM ejection tool. Nothing new there. Now I might actually need to use this, I don't know. I actually am curious though, did they include the SIM card? I want to see if my SIM card's in here, actually, so let's use that SIM tool right now. But I'm going to throw that back in here. I never use this because I've got MagSafe, so no point in having that. So let's move this to the side. So let's see, I'm throwing a screen protector on this right away, by the way. That ceramic shield, I don't believe what Apple says, but this blue color looks beautiful in person. I do not believe what Apple says. But let's see. There is in fact a 5G Verizon SIM in there. Okay, good for me. I've got a 5G Verizon SIM. So I'm actually going to be back once I put a screen protector on this thing because I don't want to scratch that screen, honestly, if you know what I mean. So I'll be back once I get a screen protector on this bad boy. On second thought, before I do that, let me just peel this off for you. I'm going to bring this up to the mic though so you can hear it. Alright, there we go. I peeled that off. We're getting a screen protector on this thing now, so we'll be back once I get a screen protector on this thing. Alright guys, so I'm back. I got that screen protector on there. Pretty good, actually. Let me pull out my iPhone 11 Pro, actually, for size comparison. It's right here in my pocket, my 11 Pro. Let me just, pardon that, some stupid thing fell on the floor. But let me put this thing on Do Not Disturb so we don't get any notifications. Obviously, I already have notifications. Let's throw this thing out. So, let's get... I'm not throwing the phone in the tray. Actually... Okay, I didn't put the screen protector on perfect. Well, let me get that more centered. Pardon for the audio, but let me get that more centered. Obviously, I have some air bubbles. I'll take care of that later. But actually, size-wise, it is a little bit bigger. Now, I got my MagSafe right here, so let's attach that. So, MagSafe is pretty cool. It attaches like that. I've got a silicone case right here with MagSafe. So, let's get that out. Let's pop the phone in the case. There we go, that's it in the case. Oh, that was cool. Did you see the animation there? That was cool. I'll get these air bubbles. These air bubbles just go away really easily. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro. So that was it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please subscribe. Catch you guys later. Peace.